How to replace double-click to confirm payment on iPhone. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into the settings of your device. Inside settings, scroll down and you need to head over to accessibility. Once you're inside the accessibility, head over to touch right here. At the top of the screen, you can see the feature of AssistiveTouch. You need to click on it and move into it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Confirm with AssistiveTouch. Tap on Continue. Now you will need to confirm with side buttons. Double-click on the side buttons and then it will be confirmed. Now enter the passcode of your device. Once again, double-click to confirm. And there you go, the AssistiveTouch has been enabled. Now whenever you pay for something on iPhone, for the confirmation you will need to double-click on the side button, and then only it will be confirmed. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.